Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2017 Honda Civic Touring Coupe. It comes equipped with a 1.5-liter turbo engine paired to a CVT transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, as well as power sliding sunroof, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this black and gray interior with paneling coupled with storage at the bottom. With your trunk release and speakers, comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows. Speakers at the top here. And we got these leather heated seats, manually adjustable, super nice. Left side you'll have your vents and as well as your lane keep assist. And you're going to have traction control. Left side of steering wheel will be your volume control, voice recognition, and odometer cluster. And the right side of your cruise control, forward gap adjuster, and lane keep assist there. So with the odometer you can access all your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, music, audio, and navigation there. It's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment. So equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in HondaLink. Here you got navigation. Everything's pretty much built in. And you know when you signal right with Hondas, got the camera there. Again with the app list and as well as phone connectivity, and you can access all your settings. Climate right there, as well as the heated seats. You're going to have a wireless charger pad, as well as a shifter here with Econ mode. And center console storage inside, and passenger side same finish, manually adjustable. Speakers are chrome accents across. Then here you can access your reading lamps and your power sliding sunroof. So you're gonna these black 17-inch NK wheels on Nokian all-season tires. You got the paint match mirror caps, the chrome door handles with the rear spoiler. In the back here you got tinted rear glass. Storage. Again, you got storage down below. Just get your finger under there. And as well as extra well storage down below with tools. It's a pretty spacious rear. We'll go into the rear interior. Seat slides all the way front. Fit 3 people back here. You got cup holders on each side, as well as speakers in the back and lamps up top. All right, well, thank you for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2017 Honda Civic Touring Coupe, equipped with a 1.5-liter turbo engine, as well as leather heated seats, lane keep assist, aftermarket wheels, power sliding sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.